Alright, I'm at Sharpshooters USA and we've got the Tanfoglio. This is the Stock 3 Witness, and it's got the SRO red dot on it. And then we also have the Bul Armory SAS2 Viper, and it has the Shield RMSc micro red dot on it. So this does have a comp. This has a lot more weight to it. So we're going to compare how they shoot compared to each other and see how they end up on the targets. So we'll keep the Bul Armory on the left, and we'll keep the Tanfoglio on the right, and hope for the best and see how they do. Alright, on the top left we're going to be shooting the Bul Armory, and we're going to shoot 5 shots, and then on the top right we'll shoot 5 shots with the Tanfoglio Stock 3. So this does have the comp. It's top left. Alright, so we came to do a head-to-head against the Tanfoglio and the Bul with the red dots, and just the SRO sight. Got a new battery. It wasn't working. Worked for about 2 minutes to adjust the lights. Shot the Bul, and then Tanfoglio never came back on. So I guess it's out for the count. We tried putting another battery in, and there's some kind of short in it. So by default, the Bul wins and the SRO goes down in flames. Rest I'll be shooting faster cadence. Bottom left. Bottom right. Both eyes open.
Hey, just to wrap it up, the Trijicon SRO had a short in it. Didn't seem to be making contact with the battery, so I spoke with the gunsmith and the salesperson, and one suggested to put a wad of paper underneath the battery, which will press it against. I'll try that tomorrow and come on back. This is Will and Well Armed. Have a great day and be prepared.